Hey everybody, how to create a shared Google Drive folder. From Google site, go to the Google Drive, or you can enter drive.google.com. Then in your Drive, you can create a folder. Click New, then New Folder, and change name of your folder. For example, it will be System folder. Then create. We have our system folder in our Google Drive. Then double click to this folder and we have files here. Click New and choose File Upload. Then choose any files and click Upload. Uploading to items and upload complete. Then return to our Drive and select our system folder. Then select Get Link, choose General Access and choose anyone with the link. And then copy this link and done. We shared our system folder and get the link. Let's go to link and we are in our system folder. Also we can share by our files, choose File and then click Get Link, choose anyone with the link and copy this link and click Done. We have link to our file. Let's check it and we go to our file which we can to download. If you have any questions, write me in comments, see other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.